life, blog life. Over here at Kashi in New York. Freedom lifestyle, you know, with the family and friends, just chilling. Cousins, everybody here. Aunties, friends, you know, chilling out. Me and the sis chilling out. It's my sister Small.
Say, yo, I gotta pick up Leah at 10. I thought this was supposed to be at 8.
It's a video, you good.
I know. The rest. Y'all have enough seats for everybody to sit? Because somebody can sit. It looks like...
About to order the shrimp. What else? Probably shrimp and chicken. Shrimp and chicken hibachi. Right? You know what I mean? I love to watch them making it though. I'm sorry, y'all gotta get caught tonight. We doing a vlog tonight. You gotta hear this conversation. You gotta see how crazy my family is. Yeah, a lot of y'all are all nuts. They talk about liquor and the calories that's in liquor. Like, how does that matter? What's up, boy? We're doing a little vlog, boy. My boy Lamont, we in there, you know, we chilling, doing a Kashi.
You already know.
You already know.
Big moves.
That's how we do it. Alright?
I don't know.
Lamont is my sister Small.
Hi, nice to meet
They over here talking about liquor, calories that's in liquor. How you get into an argument over the calories in liquor?
What? Still got beef. Still got beef. Drink. Drink. Big up.
Janima! Dreamer! Why are you ignoring us? You know you hear us. Stop fronting. Libras are fun though, I ain't gonna lie. I always get along with Libras.
I get along great with Libras.
You see, that's because we get along too. That makes sense.
Yeah, I know.
That makes sense. The people who get along. It's crazy.
Whenever I look at our horoscopes, it always says Pisces. And Leo.
They get along, right?
And Sagittarius and Leo.
Yeah, sad too. There go my cousin Cam right there. See my boy Cam chilling. Now I'm about to get the shrimp, hibachi shrimp and rice. See everything. Okay. This is mine. Yo, I'm telling you, it's good.
That's the night your dad want to be quiet. Yeah.
Whenever you see the camera, he's scared. There you go, it's on you, right? That's it.
I ain't say shit. I know they do all type of Snapchat, this, that.
Oh man. I want to start talking about weed. Talk about some edibles.
That's right there. Ask one question, you'll get the whole.
I know. I ain't gonna do it yet.
Yeah, I ain't even see it. She went right to this room.
Yeah. No. You got the sake on deck. You got the sake.
She ain't never.
Shot of sake to do your body right. I'm telling you.
Wake up ready to eat. Alright, I changed that.
Be like TMI, nigga. Somebody trying to hear that? No shit. My grandmother, my nana. You're not in this, man. You're good. Go birthday girl, birthday girl, birthday girl. That's mine? Yeah, yours. Okay.
Brunch can't be at 1 o'clock.
It makes you feel so calm.
Yeah. You ever had sake?
Have you ever had sake?
Oh, okay. I never had it.
When they spraying them out?
Well, no, this is some hot thing. It's not spray.
I don't know what the hell that is.
It's like hot, but it's a little liquid inside. It's a sake, yeah.
Sake, you said sake, right?
Yeah, sake, yeah.
It's clear, right?
Yeah.
Like water, right? Yeah. Oh, like warm?
Yeah, it's hot.
So I'm sorry, there's not enough for you to take other bottles.
It's all good, it's all good. Alright, we go toast it up? You want to toast it up?
Here.
No, take it. Sake kind of calms you down, makes you relax. A little bit of liquor in it, you know, a little bit of liquor. But it's good though. It's almost like a liquor tea. That's how kind of how it tastes, right? It's like a liquor tea. Right.
Put it on the microwave. Oh yeah, that was fast. Yeah. How come that was so fast? Here, Shaw.
Thank you.
That one's hot.
Aunt Cynthia want one?
Yeah, ask her.
Auntie, you want sake? Yeah. You want sake? You want some sake?
Where? Yeah.
Huh? I did, but they may give her own bill. I told them she gonna be sitting right there, and the lady said okay. I'm waiting for one of my cousins to show up. It's still not everybody here yet. Huh? Yeah. Fire! Fire! Hey! nigga right here. My nigga right here. The way she Hey. Look at all them tricks. Look at all them tricks. Look at all them tricks. Hey.
What's yours? Yeah, this is how I got it. That's how I got it. You got 30. You got 30 up.
Yo, he got skills. He got skills. He got skills. Momo! 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 My cousin Moni just came. Say what up. Finally here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Some vodka liquor. Yeah, it's true. My right.
Start right at the top.
You know what I do notice about you, right? You know what I did? Let me tell you.
It's mad nice, mad clear.
Yeah, it's not clear.
Finished product.